Welcome back everyone to Valvetronic Designs. Behind me, Ram TRX. Possibly better than the Ford Raptor, mostly because of the way it sounds, but out of the box, these are still a little bit quiet and they lack the flexibility. The Valvetronic Designs universal valved truck and SUV muffler kit has been fitted to this vehicle. We just removed the bottle mufflers that are already installed in the vehicle from factory, put in 2 of the 3-inch universal valve mufflers into the truck, and we're going to show you guys the differences. From factory, these Rams with the Hellcat motor, they're actually quite droney from factory. But having the Valvetronic Designs universal mufflers lowers the sound volume when they're closed, so it's really nice and docile. You never know that the truck is modified. And then with the valves open, it really has a nice aggressive sound, more aggressive than OEM. So we're going to show you guys the sound clips in this video. We've got a great spot today to shoot all the content, so let's enjoy. Inside the TRX here, this is my personal truck, which I absolutely love to death. It's the perfect experience now with the valve mufflers. I got them open right now, nice aggressive sound in the cabin. I've got the rear window shut. We're going to open that here in a little bit so you guys can hear what it sounds like. You get nice, good sound. You get some supercharger whine. Everything else is stock except for the universal mufflers in place of the original bottle mufflers. More aggressive sound when the valves are open, and then you're getting a more docile, more relaxed, much quieter sound when the valves are closed. So having that flexibility, especially for a truck like this, is really important. Put myself into my custom preset mode here. This thing absolutely rips. Close the valves for you though. You can hear now, you hear nothing. All you hear is supercharger whine. No drone, nothing. It's bone stock in here. It's actually even quieter than stock, which is really, really nice. Open it up here. I'm going to open the rear window. supercharger whine and good induction noise, which is really fun. In the truck community, I get asked a lot, especially as having this vehicle. They're like, why would you even have valves? There's no reason. I just want a nice throaty exhaust all the time. The thing is leave the valves open 99% of the time, but that 1% of the time, then you can close the valves and then there's nothing to complain about. Which to me, seems like a very good use of money. For this, I leave the valves open most of the time, probably 85% of the time, but then when I keep them closed, it's so quiet, it's so reserved. This truck turns into a regular Ram 1500, which is really valuable.